Hello friends, today I am going to show you Oracle instance startup parameter. Okay, so we'll discuss about today Oracle instance startup sequence. Startup. Many of us don't know how the Oracle instance starting actually. The sequence of Oracle instance starting parameters. So when you trying to start the Oracle instance, so in a first it will come instance in idle state. Okay, so here I will explain in a diagram method. So here instance in idle state. Okay, after that it will come to instance in started no mount state. Okay, instance in started no mount. Okay, no mount state. So basically here no mount state means memory created for SGA. Okay, so basically memory created for SGA, system global area. Okay, then it will come to in a third phase instance in started mount state. Mount. Okay, so what is this mount actually? So here instance connected to the control file. So connected to control files. Okay, now in a final it will come instance in open state. Okay, database will be open. So here the main role is checkpoint CKPT. So here it will going to check did a checkpoint occurred at last shutdown. ठीक है, it will ask here before going to final stage. It will check these things. Did a checkpoint occur at last instance shutdown? Okay, if no, it will go to instance recovery. If no, it will go instance recovery. So you will see database in a recovery state. Okay, if yes, means checkpoint already occurred at the last shutdown, then it will open the DB for the user. Okay, if yes, here I can write if yes, it will open DB for users. Okay, important points. So I will explain again one by one. In summary, when you are hitting the command for the Oracle instance startup command, so firstly instant in idle state, then it's coming to no mount. So no mount means basically memory created for SGA, okay. Then it's coming for instant in a mount. Mount means it will connect to control file, okay, it will connect to control file. Then it will come to final stage, instant in open state. So before coming to final, here it's going to ask, did a checkpoint occur at last shutdown here? So if no, okay, it will go for instance recovery. Okay, database will be under recovery. If yes, means checkpoint already occurred during the last shutdown, then it will open the DB for users. Okay, so these are the process for Oracle Instant startup process, how it's coming in a different stage and how it's coming to open a stage for a user. Okay, in the next video I will come for the shutdown process. When you are hitting the shutdown, then how it's going one by one, I will explain in the next video. Thank you.